What's up, guys? I know I'm putting out a lot of episodes, um, very short ones every day. I hope you guys enjoy it that way. Sometimes I feel like the videos are longer and they become kind of boring. Might be boring already, but you know. But anyways, today I'm gonna sand down this stator cover here and paint it black, because once the fairings are on the bike, you know, it's going to cover up a lot of this scraped up frame. I know that's kind of a lame way to do it, but there is no way I'm stripping this thing down and painting the frame and all that. But the pieces that are going to be showing through the fairings like that, and then, you know, these covers, we're going to paint them up. We're going to make them look nice. That way, you know, it doesn't look like a total wreck. But, you know, the engine's chipped up all over in there. And I just don't want to drop it out and do all that. But the thing is just absolutely filthy still. I'll clean it up. Once I get it more together, I'm going to clean it up with a water hose and everything. I just don't want to be spraying down these electrical components and risk getting water down in there. So we'll try to clean it up a little bit better later, but you know, at least get all the grunge off of it before we put the fairings on. It's never going to look perfect, obviously. The thing's almost 30 years old, so anyways, let's go ahead and clean up this stator cover, put a coat of paint on it. Okay, we got it sanded down halfway decent. I'm not a perfectionist or anything. I just wanted to get a lot of the rough edges, but I believe this thing was never meant to be black. I believe somebody's painted this motor black, but that's flaking off really easy. If I had a buffer or, you know, a power sander, I would take the rest of it off there, but I don't, so I won't. Okay, so we got a coat on it out there. We'll do several coats. Something else I noticed when I was taking that off, which I didn't have to do much because the guy had already taken the stator out, is apparently when it was moving around without the cover being attached, it allowed this gear to shift a little bit. You'll see it's not lined up properly and it's kicked out a little bit. So he's been, I don't know, somebody's moved it around in gear or something with this pin out, and it allowed that gear to kind of kink over. So we're going to have to remove the flywheel and get in there and straighten that out, because as of right now it won't even, the case won't line up correctly because this goes into a slot on the case. So yeah, but as you can see, this is all just chipping away. So I believe it was painted, because there's no way a factory finish would chip like this. At least I don't think so. Another quick thing, carbs are clean and back in. Got to get us an air box. Guy didn't have it. So thanks for watching again, guys. Alright guys, we also got the crusty ass exhaust off there. And I'll plug those holes and clean up the engine a little bit with some degreaser. And we're going to get a what am I looking for here? A power sander, and sand these things down and repaint them.